Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan and I'm the content creator behind Revived by Ryan. On my channel, I share my experiences of taking unwanted and unloved piece of furniture, transforming into something beautiful and selling them for a profit on Facebook Marketplace. I'll be posting weekly videos of furniture makeovers, so don't forget to subscribe. On today's video, I'll be transforming a beautiful dresser that I picked up for £10 on Facebook Marketplace, so sit back and enjoy. I got this dresser for just £10 from a seller on Facebook Marketplace. It was structurally perfect and there were no dents or gouges, plus I just loved the hardware on it. As always, I begin my project by thoroughly hoovering the entire piece, inside and outside. This is to pick up any cobwebs, dirt or dust that is gathered while in storage. I take out all the drawers to ensure it is completely cleaned. I then clean the entire piece using the rough side of a sponge and a multi-purpose degreaser. This is to ensure there is no grease or dirt on the surface which may affect the final paint job. I follow that up by drying the cleaned area using a dry tack cloth. I then remove the hardware for cleaning, which would give it a nice shine. Any tools I use on this video I'll also list down below in my description. I always keep the hardware and screws in a clear bag so I don't lose them during the project. The dresser is a wood veneer finish, so I scuff sand using a fine 240 grit sandpaper. This is so I don't rip through the wood veneer surface. A wood veneer surface is a thin cut of real wood which has been bonded to a cheaper surface below. Scuff sanding the piece gives a good surface for the paint to adhere to. I then use small pieces of masking tape to cover the hardware holes to prevent paint from getting inside the drawers. To protect the inside of the dresser and the drawers from paint overspray, I use this masking tape with a clear sheet attached. It comes in this handy dispenser which makes it very easy to use. Once I unfold the plastic sheet, I then use masking tape to secure it into position. If you enjoy furniture makeovers like this, you can always check out my Instagram page where I post photos of upcoming videos. I'll keep it linked down below in the description. To paint this dresser, I used Hemway's chalk paint in racing green. As always, it's a very thick consistency, so I mixed 400 ml of paint with around 30 ml of water. Once I sprayed my first coat, I just didn't like how bright the colour turned out, so I decided I need to darken it down a bit. To get the colour I wanted, I mixed 70 ml of black chalk paint in with my original racing green colour. It gave it a much richer colour which I was very happy with. I then gave the entire dresser the first coat of my new paint combination. I always use my Wagner spray paint gun as it leaves a nice flat finish and allows me to complete an entire piece very quickly. As you can see, the coverage with this paint was fantastic, and with one coat it was almost covered perfectly. If you love furniture makeovers, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the post notifications bell below, as I post furniture transformations regularly. I allowed 2 hours for the first coat to dry thoroughly. I then came back with the second coat. While the paint dried, I cleaned the hardware using a mix of baking soda, lemon juice and coarse salt. I kept it in this mixture while scrubbing it with a toothbrush at the same time. To complete this dresser, I wanted to give it a slightly edged look, so I used Rust-Oleum's clear and dark wax. Applying the clear wax first using my wax brush, not only is this the base for using a dark wax, it also offers great protection for the furniture. Always remember, with this finishing wax, a little goes a long way. When applying the dark wax, I use a small artist's brush as I didn't want to darken the colour too much. Finishing wax dries in 1 hour, however, allow 30 days to cure completely. I then blended the dark wax with my fingertip wrapped in a lint-free rag. Ensure you use clear wax before applying the dark wax, as it may alter the colour. Once the wax had completely dried, I then reattached my cleaned hardware. As you can see, the colour change after cleaning was amazing. Remember, you don't always have to buy new hardware, as these pull handles were a diamond in the rough. And this is how it looked before. And this is the final result.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a like. Also, drop me a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.